Okay, I'm making this video for the standard way of making a program in Sheetcam. Here I have imported your DXF file. Just going to this option, making a tool. For example, I have a tool. I just name it as tool number 10. Okay, curve width. I am considering we are at the optimum condition of optimum amperes. The current coming from the plasma cutter, and we have the new nozzle of curve width of, if we take it as a very big diameter 2 mm. Okay, you can use the feed rate here, and also you can edit it during the operations. So leave it as it is. So pierce delay, I usually use 0.5 seconds. This you can change it according to your cutter, what it does during the start of the cut. If it doesn't cut the sheet through the bottom, then you can increase this time and so on. Okay, pierce height, usually I use 3 mm because sometimes at the piercing, the material melts and it is cooled at the top of the surface. So it touches the tool. So I use mostly 2 mm, 3 mm of pierce height. And cut height 1.5 is good. For thicker sheets, we use cut height of more than 2 mm, 3 mm. For example, if I am cutting a sheet of 1 inch thickness, then I'll use 2 mm cut height or 3 mm cut height. Same for the pierce delay. I will increase for the thicker sheets. Okay, so plunge rate doesn't matter. 1,000 or 2,000 is good. Remember, I am using all these measurements in millimeters and millimeter per minute. You can change it according to your units, inches or whatever. Okay. So the standard procedure I follow is, sorry. I usually do these steps. Edit contours, just select this. Or if there are too many holes, I will just select the outer boundary, move to layer, new layer. I will say it outer boundary. Okay. Then I will go to operations, select the operation. Firstly, always do inside offsets. Firstly, layer 0, all the remaining parts except the outer boundary will be in this layer. So we have 4 holes will be in the remaining layer. And our outer boundary will be in the other outer boundary layer. Okay. So I will select the T10 plasma 2 mm curve. Here you can change the feed rate. If you have thicker material, you can reduce the feed rate. If you are thinner material, you can increase the feed rate and so on. Always use lead in and lead outs. This will have 2 mm, 3 mm, 1.5 mm. What you think is good for that? Set okay. I will use the same tool doing the same procedure for outside offset and layer outer boundary. I use these are the standards. Normally what we use is this in this way. Okay, so just say okay, and then I'll just go to a post mixes and just save this code. This is the standard procedure everyone uses. The change of the curve, stopping the machine and change that usually you don't need. But in this start, you have to figure out the optimum values of the curve, of the tip dias, of the current amperes of the plasma cutter to get your desired results. Once you get it, then it's a simple recurring procedure. Okay, thank you.